The taillight on the Mercedes-Benz W211 sedan models house all of the rear lights. This photo shows the lens. The yellow arrow points to the turn signal bulbs, the blue arrow points to the reverse light bulb, the red arrows point to the parking brake light bulbs. In this tech video, I will be servicing the left side light. The right side is similar. Start by removing the trunk carpet. Lift the handle and pull it out in the direction of the red arrow to remove it. Then remove the lower carpet panel. There may be plastic rivets in the areas indicated by red arrows. My vehicle did not have them. If you do have them, lever them out with the center rivet, then remove the entire rivet. Use a trim panel tool. Next, remove the foam support. Lift it up and remove it. Remove the two 10mm fasteners for the electronics cover, red arrow, then lift and remove the electronics cover from the trunk. Next, working at the left side carpet trim panel, remove the two plastic rivets, red arrows. Using a trim panel tool, lever out the center rivet, then remove the rivet. Next, remove the two cargo anchors, red arrows. Lever off the plastic cover, insert picture, then remove the T30 torque fasteners as indicated by the green arrow. Now the trim panel along the bottom of the trunk opening has to be removed. This photo shows the left side of the panel. The right side has the same clips. Remove both sides, red arrow. Using a small flathead screwdriver, lever up the center of the clip. Then remove the clip from the panel. Lift the panel up and off the trunk opening. Then disconnect the trunk light electrical connector, red arrow, by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight off. Then pull the carpet panel away from the body. Feed the trunk arm, red arrow, out of the carpet panel as you swing the panel away from the fender. You don't have to fully remove the panel, just swing it towards the center of the trunk. This leaves enough workspace. Working in the trunk on the left side, lift the dynamic seat pump up and move it aside, red arrow. Once moved aside, detach the vacuum line, green arrow, from the reservoir by pulling it straight off. Work gently as the line is easily damaged. You only need this step for the left side. The right side lens is not blocked by a pump. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it off, red arrow. Then remove the 5 8mm fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Then pull the taillight out of the fender to remove it. Pull the seal off the lens and place it aside. Remove the 3 T25 torque screws for the bulb assembly as indicated by the red arrows. Remove the bulb assembly, green arrow, from the lenses and replace it with a new one. The red arrows point to one faulty bulb, the reason this unit was replaced. Note the burned plastic, yellow arrow, visible from the trunk on the rear side of the bulb assembly. When installing new taillight lenses, check that the taillight seal is in good condition. Replace the seal if necessary. If this seal leaks, water can leak into the trunk or the taillights. Tighten the bolts on the bulb side of the assembly first. Then tighten the slotted fastener, red arrow. This ensures a tight fit for the seal. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.